Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this episode of the ReviewHunt.com, I'm going to break down the top 5 best socket organizers on the market. Before we get started with our video detailed, we include links to the description section. Make sure you check those out. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more updates. Now, let's start the video. Starting of our listed number 5, the Grip 6PC Socket Organizer Tray Set is an affordable choice to keep your tools organized and eliminates the unnecessary clutter. As it does not offer lots of bell and whistle, but it completes the work done for minimal expense. Moreover, it not only keeps your equipment organized but also makes it get-able for easy selection. Coming with 6 pieces holder which consists of a durable and solidly molded plastic tray. In this tray, you can store a wide range of sockets including deep and shallow sockets. With all the familiar sizes like 1, 2, 1, 4 and 3/8 for C and millimeters, other sizes you probably don't use much are easily supported in the set. As the organizer store consists of hex upwards, making it easier to select sockets in a pinch. The holders have labels of white letters on the spine, making it simple to distinguish the standard and deep sockets. Even the trays have color code and sizes which make it easy to determine whether you select the right drive or not. While it talks about easy-to-use quality, this organizer is the ultimate choice for anyone. Compared to the other socket sets, this one is easier to use and maintain. In case of mounting, this organizer doesn't have this feature. Rather, it's more designed for horizontal use. Durable plastic tray. Color coding makes socket identification easy. Place the sockets securely. At number 4, the Ernst 16-piece 1-2C magnetic socket holder is a dream organizer set for people who like their trays next to their reach. Its simplicity and effectiveness quality will allow you to find the desired tool easily. Especially when you consider the value, it's in very affordable range. Even for people who work in a static environment, this holder will reduce your worry of losing sockets. As the tray is built for 1/2-inch C drive socket and it accommodates both deep and shallow sizes. Even there is a place to accommodate 1/2-inch 1 drive adapter as well. Unlike other magnet products out there, this comes with heavy-duty plastic and powerful magnets. The plastic is well molded and durable, and base of it is magnetized. That means your sockets can stay secure and in place through shuffling or everyday moving and can easily nest in the toolbox. Even it also comprised of the rubberized bottom so nothing will rub together. And it's a great quality which protects the tray from damaging. Magnetized base. Accept both deep and shallow sockets. Conserving space. Coming at number 3. The Ernst Manufacturing Boss 3-Rail Multi-Drive Socket Organizer is designed to be easily carried while traveling or stored in a work area. Makes it an impressive choice for any handyman or day workers. To keep your sockets secure and safe, this would be your ultimate choice for your tools. Otherwise, you will get fumbling around, finding your desired size. With this organizer you can easily customize the set, like you can add or switch single rail, or load the full 13-inch length rail. Unlike other socket organizers, this one uses special twist lock mechanism that makes the sockets near impossible to jostle around or lost. Lastly, without a simple press of a button, the rails are not unlocked, as an indication of a supreme security. Versatile and durable rails and posts. Include socket tray. Twist lock technology ensures socket safety. At number 2, The Lisle 40200 magnetic socket holder is ideal for people who are searching for an organizer for a single-size socket. It is truly a unique one because it has a magnet inside in its body. And this organizer is highly recommended for any static users. Actually, to hold the sockets to the tray, manufacturers use magnets in it. It's a similar mechanism to secure the sockets to the trays to the steel surface. And the magnets are used in the construction of this set is very powerful. But removing the socket from the organizer is not as hard as you would expect, if you store the organizer in the upside-down position. You will even feel the easier time to reading and be removing the sockets. Comes with 28 compartments that enable you to hold only 3 8-inch drive sockets in it. Completely individual 14 sockets can store in separate compartments on each side. The nice part of this set is that it can hold both deep and standard sockets with ease. At the end of each compartment are open to help you to navigate and identify the sizes at a glance. Magnet works well, durable and sturdy. Deep and standard sockets. Taken the top spotted, the Hansen Global 92000C and metric socket storage trays is the great choice for those who love to store sockets. It looks great, safe, affordable and most importantly trustworthy. It will save you from any hassle and can stand up even in brutal work conditions. In short, it's called the King of Socket Organizer. This 6-piece set of socket tray is made of high-caliber ABS plastic which is especially resistant to oil smudges and grease. While something is known to happen, to protect the trays and increase longevity, these elements keep chemicals away from eating at your trays. Another great quality that it has to offer is security. The base of the socket post has been beefed up with an additional thick plastic. That means, this really holds your sockets in the right place and protects them from falling out even if you knock the tray or drop it. Moreover, these 6 railings become an investment that will definitely go for many years without the need to get another one. For easy identification, set comes with 6 counts of trays. Each tray is different and holds various specific size sockets. One great thing about this tray is it can hold 2 of each size sockets. This storage tray consists of 6 different trays such as 1/2 inch C and metric, 1/4 inch C and metric, 3 8-inch C and metric. However, each post is labeled a particular socket size which helps you to find the desired tools easily and saves your valuable time. 6 tray capability. Made from durable ABS plastic. Can be stored 2 of each size. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like and subscribe. If you have any queries about these top 5 best socket organizers, you can leave comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible.